If you love oatmeal cookies, you're in the right place because I'm making Oatmeal Blondies today. It's a cookie bar filled with a bunch of fun mix-ins, completely oatmeal. You're gonna love them. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of unsalted butter with 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar, and you're gonna mix that together until it's combined. It's gonna be a little crumbly. Mix in 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and once that's nice and creamy, you'll add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. You gotta have cinnamon when you're making oatmeal cookies. Then I'm mixing in a cup of all-purpose flour, and then you get to add in your oats, which is 1 1/2 cups of quick oats. You can always make your own if you don't have them. You can check that out on my profile. I'm adding M&Ms in here. You can add 2 cups of mix-ins, any mix-ins that you want, chocolate chips, M&Ms, toffee bits, raisins, anything that you like or a combination. Once these are baked at 350, they'll be nice and golden brown. It's time to enjoy. See how easy that was? I wrote a whole book about cookie recipes that includes cookie bars, and I love easy recipes. All of my recipes are super simple, as you can see. Leave me a comment, let me know what you're gonna add to these oatmeal blondies. I love adding the M&Ms for color. Follow me for more recipes and keep watching for even more desserts.